In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do accounts payable in QuickBooks. If you're responsible for tracking company expenses and making sure vendors get paid on time, QuickBooks makes the accounts payable process much easier to manage. The basic workflow has two parts. First, you record the bill when it arrives, and then you pay that bill when you're ready. Keeping those two actions separate is important because it gives you a clear picture of what your business owes before any money actually leaves your bank account. To begin, click the Create button at the top left of QuickBooks and select Bill. This opens the bill entry screen where you'll record the vendor invoice. Start by choosing your vendor from the drop-down menu. If the vendor is not already listed, you can add a new one at this stage. Then enter the bill date, the due date, and the bill number, which is usually the invoice number shown on the vendor's document. It's a good habit to enter these details exactly as they appear, because that helps with accuracy, record keeping, and future reference if you ever need to match payments back to the original invoice. Next, move down to either the Category Details section or the Item Details section. Use category details when you're recording an expense to a specific account, and use item details when you're purchasing products or services that you track more specifically in QuickBooks. Choose the appropriate expense account or product or service, then enter the amount of the bill. You can also attach a photo or PDF copy of the physical bill for your records, which is especially useful for staying organized and supporting your bookkeeping documentation later on. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. At this point, the bill is officially recorded in QuickBooks and now appears in your accounts payable, meaning it is tracked as money your business owes. When it's time to pay the bill, click the Create button again at the top left and select Pay Bills. From there, choose the bank account you'll use to make the payment. QuickBooks will show you a list of outstanding bills, and you can check the boxes next to the ones you want to pay. You also have the option to make full or partial payments, which can be helpful if you're managing cash flow or working with a vendor on payment terms. After that, select your payment method such as check, credit card, or a digital payment service like QuickBooks Bill Pay. Finally, click Save and Print if you're issuing a physical check, or choose Save and Close if no printed check is needed. And that's how to handle accounts payable in QuickBooks accurately and efficiently.